Hey guys, it's Marcus again from affiliatemarketingdude.com, and today what we're going to do is show you how to turn your WordPress blog into a list building, lead getting machine. And we're going to show you how to do that in a really easy way using a brand new plugin that I developed for you. And we're starting right now. So here we are on a regular WordPress site. Now what you're going to notice on WordPress is that by default you have the same sidebar widgets on all of the stuff. So what that means here, we'll just reload this so the new theme comes up. But what you're going to notice here is that the widgets on the sidebar, the recent posts, the search box, and whatever, are the same exact things on pages, on posts, on everything. So if you have a post that's getting a lot of traffic for a certain keyword and you want to put something custom in the sidebar, it's really difficult to do. Or if you want to turn your WordPress into a list building machine, a squeeze page, it's also very difficult to do. So what we did is we developed this plugin for you. Now, you can get any of these plugins through some of my products at the Affiliate Marketing Dude site. You can go to affiliatemarketingdude.com/products and see which products include the plugins, or just buy it on its own, or whatever you want to do. Now, we charge for this plugin because it costs a lot of money to update. So we just ask you to help out with the updating and things like that, and we make it really reasonable for you. But first, let me show you how it works and how it's going to make things really easy for you so that you can start generating leads, making sales, and getting your blog to do what you want as an affiliate marketer or a product owner or whatever it is. So let's go ahead and dive into the WordPress dashboard. You could go to the WordPress dashboard over at yoursite.whatever/wp-admin. This will take you right to a login, or you could log in and it'll take you to this dashboard. Now, first and foremost, what you want to do is get familiar with the dashboard and locate the plugins section. Plugins are right here. Now, you can do several things. One, you could browse all the plugins that WordPress has to offer and all the developers have. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. Or you can upload a plugin directly from your computer. Now, if you're getting the plugins from me, these are custom plugins that we create so that you can do all the stuff that has made me millions of dollars with affiliate marketing. You don't want to cut corners on this because some plugins are not going to allow you to do the things that make money, like the little search boxes and the toolbars and everything like that. Everything that I've had created in-house by my personal programmers has been made to my specifications based on things that convert. And when you're dealing with affiliate marketing, you might be dealing with the difference between not making money and making a whole bunch of money just because of one little thing. And that's why you want to join my products and my coaching, so that we could teach you those one little things so that you're not sitting there saying, why is my site not making money? Now, with all that said, let's go ahead and click on Add New, because we're going to be installing a new plugin. We're going to click on Add New, then we're going to click on Upload Plugin. Now we're going to scroll down, and we could get rid of all these little boxes here. Then we're going to scroll down, and we're going to click on Choose File. We're going to go ahead and navigate to wherever you downloaded the plugin file. For me, I always put them on my desktop. So we're going to scroll down here to the Squeeze Blogs Pro plugin. It's down here under S, I believe. We've got a lot of stuff on the desktop, and I believe this is the right one here, right here. Okay, so this should be the one. We're going to go ahead and hit install, right like this. Then we're going to click Activate Plugin, and bada bing, bada boom, in a couple of seconds, the plugin's activated. You can see it down here in your plugin list, right here like this, and then you can also see it over here called Squeeze Blogs Pro. Really cool, really easy. Now let me show you how this thing works. Remember how I said earlier that the sidebar widgets on your blog are always the same? Well, we don't want that. We want control. I want to put an opt-in box on this page. I want to have posts with banners and posts with other stuff. So we're going to let this plugin control everything, okay? Now this is where you're watching the video right now, unless you're on YouTube, right? You're watching this video right now. It's like our welcome video, and then we have some tools for you and everything like that. But what you're going to notice is that when you go to the Squeeze Blogs Pro tab, you're going to see opt-in 1, opt-in 2, 3, 4. Now this allows you to have 4 separate opt-in boxes on any page or post you like. So if I have a page about, green plants, then I can have a green plant opt-in. If I have one about red flowers, then I can have an opt-in for like, hey, get your red flowers here or whatever. That way we can customize it based on the traffic that comes to us. And believe me, this makes all the difference in the world. Now, let me show you how easy this is to set up. First and foremost, we're going to check this out. This is how it works, okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make different pages and posts and different plugins and different tools and things like that. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create an opt-in box for our home page. All right, first of all, you just title it, this is for you. Okay, I could just call this main toolbar or whatever. Okay, click on hide title. We don't need the people to see this. Next, we're going to choose where we want this to show up. If we want it just on the home page, we click that. If we want it on all pages, we click this. If we want it on all posts, we would click this. Now, if you want it on a specific one, you could just click pages and put comma, or you could put 1, 5, 9 if you want it on page 1, 5, and 9. Very easy, okay? For me, I'm going to go ahead and just put it on all the pages. Then we're going to scroll down, and we're going to see our content section. This is where you put your teaser, right? So in this one, we got a toolbar, okay? So we're going to put like download your toolbar here. Pretty cool. We could put download your toolbar here, okay? We can center it, we can make it bold, we can make it red, we can make it bigger, whatever you want, okay? You could even go fancy and let's say you want to put like some arrows or something. So we could go ahead and click on add media, select files, and we'll just get like some little arrows or something from our picture folder. I like this. Okay, and I think I have some arrows down. There we go. These arrows will work. Just go ahead and put those in there, hit insert into post. Now we got some cool little flashy arrows. Next, what we're going to do is decide which autoresponder we're using. Now, this by default is super easy to use with Aweber. Aweber is a great autoresponder. We highly recommend them. Really cool. But I realize some people like to use other autoresponders as well. It's cost me a small fortune to make for you, but a lot of people ask for it, so I put it in there. Okay, so if you're using Aweber, you click on yes, the tabs will show up, right? We put our Aweber list name, put our thank you URL, go ahead and put your bullet points, free affiliate toolbar, killer money making videos, plus weekly live trainings. Okay? Right like that. Now we got that. And then when we're done, we could use the default privacy policy or just keep it. You could put your own in here if you want. Then you go to themes and you choose what color. I usually choose the white color because it blends in with the site. Whatever color your site is, there's one for everyone. Okay? So we're going to go in there. You could customize it, but we're going to leave that by for now. Then you click update. Now, if you wanted to use a different autoresponder, all you would do is click no, and it'll just have a spot for your code. You just click text, put your code in there, boom, done. Very easy. Okay, so now what that does is it creates a little opt-in box for your site. So if we were to go to appearance, then we go to widgets, what we want to do is we want to let the program, let this plugin control everything. So we're going to take all this stuff that's over here in the sidebar. Remember all that stuff that I showed you here? Right, we're going to take all that, and we're going to get rid of it by click, let go. Drag, let go, drag, let go, drag, let go, drag, let go, and last one. Then we're going to scroll down and take the Squeeze Blogs Pro and have this be the only thing in the primary widget area. We click Save, and now we should have a beautiful opt-in form on our WordPress. There we go. Check it out. So now you can see it is a wonderful little squeeze page that allows people to opt in and everything like that. Now the cool thing is on our posts and everything, it's still the regular one. Okay, so we could go through and we could customize this however we want. Right, so if I have a post, let's say we have a post here, and I'm just going to go here so we can see it. Right, we'll go view. Okay, if we have a post here, you're going to see that there's no widgets on it. Right, so you could have it with no widgets, or you could create your own. So when you're in this plugin, you're going to see how easy it is just by going to the Squeeze Blogs Pro plugin. Then, let's say you wanted to do like your thank you page. Maybe this is your thank you page, and you want it on your posts. and then you could put like banner ad here, right? That's going to allow you to have your banner ad right there. Okay? Very cool. And your banner would be there, obviously. If it was a pretty banny, what the hell's a banny? A pretty banner, it would go right here and it'd look really cool. Now, the cool thing also is that all of these pages and posts have a unique ID number. So as you're looking at these, I think we could be able to see it. Let's see here. There's a way to hover over this, but you could go into your posts and see it too. So like here, let's see, where'd we go? I think we need to shrink this down a little, because what it's going to do is it's going to show up in the bottom. There we go. Okay, cool. So like if we go to edit, we could see this is post number 1. See right here, when I hover over it, it's going to say post number 1. Okay, so all I would have to do if I just want it on this post is just go ahead and say, I only want it on post number 1, right? Then what that means is if I make a new post, add new, where's add new? There we go. We'll just call this one whatever, publish, okay? This post is now going to have no sidebar widgets because we didn't specify. So it's very, very custom. You could do this with pages. You could do this with posts. What it does is it allows you to make a squeeze page opener just like this, and then everything else, all your other content, is going to be hidden. Now, as you can see, this thing's loaded with features. You got opt-in 1, 2, 3, 4. You got an affiliate button or an affiliate area, sales, recent posts, recent comments, and everything like that. Now, this is really cool because I like to put my recent posts on the posts. Okay, what this does, very important, is it hides your content. So the main visitors see this. They're like, I got to opt in, otherwise I ain't going to get anything. Right? But the rest of the people, if we have that enabled, they're going to see, let's see, they're going to see your recent posts, right, like this. And we could say, okay, recent posts like this. Yes, how many do we want? Let's put like 10 or whatever. And then what this does is it's going to put those recent posts over here in the sidebar like this. Now, what this does is it allows Google to index your site. So Google's indexing everything. Everything's getting picked up, but the main visitors are not seeing it. They got to opt in. So there's a very, very powerful plugin. If you have a blog or maybe you're making a new blog or you're new to affiliate marketing, this is what you need. This is going to help you control your content. Now, it also has recent comments, AdSense, and more. We've also included a custom search box. You've seen this on many of my videos with the tattoo site, the download sites, the gas prices site, everything like that, right? Tons of stuff. The tattoo site was one of our bigger examples and allows you to have a custom search box that leads to your affiliate program with the code in it, right? So like if they're searching for gas prices, they're searching in their area. So they go there and boom, their zip code's already in it. Same thing with the drop down. You've seen this on my sites like my lottery site where it allowed a drop down. Now, all of these combined is the difference between making money and not making money because of the fact that it's customized to what people respond to. So if you like these plugins and you like my teaching, I would highly recommend getting started with the Simple Sites Big Profits software. It comes with all my plugins, it comes with all my tools, it comes with support, and the training course, right? It's really good, so you're going to want to check that out. But what I'd like you to do, if you just want this plugin, go over to affiliatemarketingdude.com/products. That's affiliatemarketingdude.com/products. We're going to have a list there of the things that you could get. Maybe you just want the plugin, or maybe you want the course, or maybe you want to go all in and be like, Marcus, I want you to hold my hand and teach me everything about affiliate marketing. Whichever way suits you, at least get this plugin and at least get one of our courses so you can start making your blog do what you want, which is make you money. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video. My name is Marcus. If you like these videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel here at YouTube and go over to affiliatemarketingdude.com/products. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.